How to search by picture on your Pinterest. Hello everyone, welcome in this video. I'm gonna show you today how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to open your Pinterest app like this, and then it will open directly on your homepage as you know. Right now come to search. Go now to search bar and come here to camera icon. Wait. Click on camera icon, and for example it will open your camera icon. I wanna to search for this one. I will just take a picture like this and it will search. I will just wait. As you see, it's exploring, and right now as you see I search by pen. So that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video. So